Multiply 3-digit number by using criss-cross method. So let's start with example. First example is 284 multiply by 173. Step 1. We will do 5 steps. So start with first step. Step 1. We will multiply 4 into 3. So 4 into 3 is 12. We will write 2 here. This last digit 2. And carry forward this 1 to next step. Step 2. Step 2. 8 into 3 and 4 into 7. We will carry forward this 1 plus 8 into 3 plus 7 into 4. Its total equal to 53. We will write this 3 here and carry forward this 5. Step 2. Step 3, sorry. Now two into 3 and 4 into 1 and 8 into 7. I am writing here again for clear picture 284 173. 2 into 3, 4 into 1 and 8 into 7. We will carry forward this 5 here. So first we will write 5 plus 2 into 3 plus 4 into 1 plus 8 into 7. It's 5 plus 6 plus 4 plus 56. It's equal to 71. Now we will write 1 here. 7 carry forward to next step. 4. 2, 8, 4, 1, 7, 3. Now it's 2 into 7, 8 into 1. We will carry forward this 7 plus 2 into 7, 8 into 1. 7 plus 14 plus 8. It's equal to 29. Now we will write 9 here. 2 carry forward in next step. So 2 plus 284 173. Now we will multiply 2 into 1. 4. So this 4 will go up and here. This is our answer of 284 into 173. It looks like this is very long process, but once you will start practicing this, it will be very easy for you and give you correct answer very easily. So let's go to next example. 357 multiply by 892. First we will multiply this. So step 1, 7 into 2, 14. We will write this 4 above. Carry forward this 1 in step 2. So 1 plus. Next 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 2. So 5 into 2 and 7 into 9. 5 into 2 is 10, 7 into 9 is 63. Now this is 73 and 174. Now this 4 again go up and 7 carry forward. Next step, third, 7 plus. Here 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 2. In this step, 3 into 2, 7 into 8 and 5 into 9. So 3 into 2 is 6, 8 into 7 is 56 and 5 into 9 is 45. The total is 114. We will write this 4 again up and 11 carry forward. Step 4, 11 carry forward. In step 4, we will do multiplying 3 into 9 and 5 into 8. 3 into 9 is 27, 5 into 8, 40. This is 8 and 7, 78. So carry forward 8 up and 7 carry forward in last step. Step 5, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 2. Last step, 3 into 8 and 7 from here. 7 plus 3 into 8. 7 plus 24 and this is 31. So we will write this complete 31 here. In this way, we can do 3-digit number multiplication very easily. Once you will do practice 5 times, 10 times, you will able to do in a very good way. And this will give you very good result and correct result very easily. I hope this method will help you in your calculation. Good luck and thank you. Do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell button for notification update. Press the like button if you like the video. Have a nice day.